botany department boya.
Biochemistry.
Huh? Then,
It's on off button. From here you can.
and why this is at 7.223?
It's a general. Now we will calibrate it to some pH.
How it is calibrated, please?
First we will distill this. It's an electrode, pH electrode.
Okay. pH electrode, huh?
Yes. 3 times we can distill it.
Great. And
Now we will calibrate it. No, no problem.
how to calibrate it?
Look,
We have just washed the
देखो तकरीबन 100 pH.
5.7
We can calibrate it up to
by using
buffer solution. pH 4 buffer. Where is pH 4?
pH 4. Is it standard to calibration?
It is standard.
Okay. pH 2 buffer.
Yes.
We have put pH 4 buffer, and
Now
to calibrate it, and now we put the electrode into the buffer.
Buffer solution.
And
Now you can press calibration for.
calibration, you have press the button of calibration, and then
Now you can press into buffer. So work
rinse.
already it is 3.59 here.
Higher.
You can also calibrate.
What is the purpose of F2 and F3 and F1 button?
function 1
Selection they can.
Ya koy kana.
So press F3 to override. Now press F3 to edit calibration. We can calibrate it to 4. Press F2 to confirm. Yes. Next to
F3 to complete
F2.
the calibration.
F3 to complete. Yes.
Meyer.
Yes.
So now you can see the pH of this solution.
Rate 3.997.
Okay, now it is ready.
Yes. Now we can put in for solution. देखो का.
Now the electrode are putting in the solution to measure pH of unknown. Before adding the after adding the electrode into the solution, we press the measure button.
They are training के.
pH रकम है.
This training के. बार पुलिस ने डेर पाया रखी है. बड़े और जन तकरीबन ड्राइव.
Now this is the way to measure pH of unknown solution. First you have to buffer it with pH 4 and then measure it. Whatever the result we get, it will be the pH of that solution.